the umbrella with the duck on it.
Shall we take the bus? So today, Lily's mother asks Lily Pierce, let's walk. I like Lily. She takes her mother's hand across the street. Her mother goes around the puddles. Lily skips through them. Goodbye, Frank, she calls to the crossing guard. There goes up and big girl stops after her. Goodbye, Lily, see you tomorrow. Mother's grief, they go living off the one foot past the windows of Nick Jab's school. She waved at Nick Jab, who smiled and waved back. They are almost home. Look, Mama, I can walk backward the rest of the way. Be careful, Lily, her mother cried. Lily backed into something she went around. A dollar for the paper grab, a tall man in a raggedy coat. His hair sticks up higgly-piggly all over his head. He got at them. Lucy put towards Lily's mother. Lily's eyes touching her mother's coat as she fell. Her mother gives the man a doll and takes the paper. Thank you, she says. The man nods, and then stares at Lily. The rain runs off his bumpy nose and down into his ear. Lily can hear his wheezy, bumpy nose and breathing. She clings to her mother, looking back all the way to her apartment door. The next day after school, Lily says, I want to take the bus home, Mama. Are you sure? Lily looks at her feet and nods, so they get in line and board the bus. She sees Frank out the window and waves, but he doesn't see her. They whiz past Miss Chan too fast for Lily to see her friendly face. When they drive past the paper man, Lily ducks down in her seat. He doesn't see her. Her mother rings the bell and Lily runs from the bus to the lobby door. Hurry, hurry, Mama! She pushes against the handle. Is something wrong, Lily? Lily shakes her head and looks down the street. The paper man is heading their way. Lily feels his eyes on her. She shoves the door and it clicks shut. They're safe now. On that week, Lily and her mother take the buses all the next weekend, every day after that, until the first snowfall.
Quick change.
Lily has greasy new boots and twisted new boots. She tries to catch snowflakes on her tongue. Try it, Mama, she says. She tugs on her mother's hand. Don't you want to take the bus, Lily? Lily shakes her head. I like the snow. Goodbye, Frank. They cross the street. Snow flies around them in the bright bush. Let's see if Miss Chan is selling hot cocoa yet, Lily's mother says. Lily clasps her mittens together and runs on ahead. Lily closes her eyes and listens to the squeak and crunch of her boots in the snow. Her mother follows her. $1 for the paper. Lily's eyes fly open. The paper man pulls out a